Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your profile picture. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Here on the right bottom, click on this profile icon. So you can see the profile picture here. So if you want to download it, you should just pause, tap and hold on it. So now here's the option of copy link. Select it. So there's no such option as downloading profile picture directly from Instagram. We are using our website. So open your Google Chrome now. Here search Instagram photo downloader and click on the first link. So paste the copied URL here and enter download photo. It will take some time. So from this option, just tap on the photo and select download image. So as you can see, I have downloaded and it's in my gallery. So this is the quick and easy way to download a profile picture on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.